This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited-slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a CD player, and air conditioning. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Performance Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 906 Route 10 West in Randolph.